The next exercise you must do is drawing long diagonal lines, reverse diagonal lines, and also vertical lines. My friends, I want you to perform these exercises on top of one another. That means we draw the diagonal lines, then on top of them, draw the reverse diagonal lines, and on top of those, draw the vertical lines as well. The reason for this is to make the image a bit crowded, so that your mind will be prepared for the future when you encounter many lines in a drawing. Therefore, from now on, as your instructor, I have the duty to train you in such a way that your eyes become accustomed to the crowdedness of the paper. Now, let's draw long diagonal lines. This is your exercise. Do it in large quantity. Draw reverse diagonals. When drawing reverse diagonals, never lift your hand from above. In drawing long lines, this is a mistake. However, in drawing short lines, which I will explain in the future, you may do so. You see, when I lifted my hand, my line became crooked. Alright, now let's draw long vertical lines. First, place the pencil and then pull your entire hand toward your stomach. At first, your lines may become crooked like this. The reason this often happens is that your hand speed in drawing the line is low. Therefore, increase the speed of your hand and do not worry. This will help your lines become straight. Do not let your hand hit your stomach. The next exercise you must do is drawing short lines. Short lines that are straight. Their names are the same as those of the long lines, my friends.